Delve into the world of HMI design, an innovative field where human interaction meets machine functionality. Through the lens of VB.net, we explore the creation of graphical interfaces using Visual Basic.net, a dynamic programming language often employed for Windows-based application development. VB.net offers developers an extensive toolbox. From elementary labels and buttons to intricate data visualization components, it paves the way for the design of HMIs, tailored to the unique needs of various applications. The significance of HMI design in VB.net extends across industries. Manufacturing, automation, healthcare, transportation, in these sectors and more, the seamless interaction between users and machines is not just a convenience, it's a necessity. It's about safety, efficiency, and productivity. Harness the power of VB.net. Create interfaces that elevate the user experience, streamline operations, and boost productivity. Welcome to the future of interaction where humans and machines work in harmony. This is HMI design in VB.net.